This is the situation section of a visit on MilkNotes. The situation section is the second tab of a visit. Here you will find input fields for the parent's appointment type, visit date and duration, preferred method of communication, a drop-down box to select from a common list of concerns, or add your own custom concern, a toggle of whether or not they are returning to work, and a safe place to pump, then a large free text box to write in any other situation comments. At the bottom of the Parent Situation tab, there's also a large free text box to describe the parent's short and long-term breastfeeding goals. While still in the Situation section, you can select the Child tab to continue filling out the child situation. Here you'll find a list of convenient toggles of common instances and another large free text box to write in any other child situation comments. Subscribe to the MilkNotes YouTube channel for more simple tutorials and helpful information.